Hi, I'm Jane Ford. I'm a program specialist for speech and language services in a large urban school district. I supervise about 60 SLPs across the district. We were in the process of developing a way to analyze the oral language skills of our students, and we needed to have some kind of technology to record. And we looked around and we basically just searched through the internet until we found the LiveScribe pen. When I first got the pen, this was before we had decided to use it with all of our speech language pathologists in the schools. My experience was just using it basically for when I went to meetings, if I went to conventions, recording the information so that I could go back and listen to it. Just kind of getting to know, would it work for our project? And we had a vision of what we wanted to do to make progress monitoring a realistic, appropriate, tied to the classroom curriculum tool that could be done in an efficient manner. We have about 250 of our SLPs in the district using the Smart Pen, primarily for the narrative assessment, but I do know that many of them have expanded on to using it in therapy activities as well. Some of the SLPs are using it for articulation therapy, where they go through and have the kids listen to themselves. They're using it for feedback. They're using it in part of our narrative because they record the narratives. They're now playing it for the parents at meetings. And that way the parents can actually hear their child and then hear where they were at the beginning of the year and then hear how they were at the end of the year. I think at this point they're mostly using it for the narrative because it's a brand new tool for them. We have very specific directions. They're all doing it the same way. The speech language pathologists have given great feedback on the information that they're getting on these children and then being able to monitor the progress, and some of them are very excited about the progress. And I think it's really given us a better way to do a scope and sequence of our therapy instruction. And using the Smart Pen is part of that process that makes it user-friendly and able to be accomplished, basically. Anytime we save time in doing the progress monitoring, then that's going to give you more time for other things you need to do. And we're looking at workload, caseload. It improves their workload for more efficiency and being able to take an analysis and being able to analyze it. It's all there, and the consistency. Absolutely, they have more time for their therapy and for doing other things they need to be doing, whether it's going in classrooms and modeling for teachers. Anytime we can reduce the progress monitoring or the assessment piece, it's going to be more efficient for the clinician.